welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post weekly haul videos, hauls, shopping, vlogs, all that. So if you like all that content, definitely hit that subscribe button down below because you don't want to miss my videos. Share the channel, you don't want to miss it. So today's video, we have a Dollar Tree haul. This is from when I was out of town and went to a ton of different locations, so I'm pretty stoked with what I found. And today I'm going shopping, so hopefully I find a lot more of the viral stuff. But for now, let's get into it. Subscribe, grab a snack, let's go. So the first thing I found is the Pacifica Clean Shot Vegan and Lavender Dehydration and Stressors Spray or Drops. So this is what it looks like. Pacifica is a name brand, as if you didn't know it is. I am opening this because I want to see what it looks like. So it just looks like this, and just a serum. So got that for $1.25, of course. Then we found these singles, women's face and body wipes, fragrance free, gym, office, travel, outdoors. You get 30 in here, and I love that they're fragrance free. So we got these. Perfect for summer, honestly. Then I got this lip liner. I'm gonna open it because, you know, see it. So it's flower, and it is Perfect Pout Sculpting Lip Liner in Coffee Caramel. So I love this shade. It kind of like feels like it's kind of the shade I'm wearing right now. But so we got that. Then, okay, I didn't realize I got two of the Pacifica ones. Then we got my favorite setting spray. I don't know why I got another one, but this is my favorite setting spray. But yeah, so we got that. Then we got the Pacifica Island Vanilla Hair and Body Mist. Very tiny, but still. Let's smell it. I don't really... I don't smell anything, but we got that. Then I'm so excited for these. We got the Amber Glow Peony and Amber Moisturizing Hand and Body Lotion. This is obviously peony and amber. Then we got the Apple Orchard, which is probably what I'm most excited for. Apple Orchard. And then the last one, Vanilla Spice. Now this one is what I'm most excited for. Oh, you can smell it through the tube. Oh yeah, I'm getting another one of these. This smells so good. I can't wait for fall. So we got those. And of course we have a lot more. Okay, then I got this new Pizza O'Clock little sticker notebook. I thought it was so funny. So picked up that because I love notebooks. So then I got this one. And I'm gonna take this job thing off. It just says Rise and Shine, and it's glittery, but it's not the glitter that gets everywhere. So I got this, and it's just, you know, a simple notebook. Super cute though. So we got that. Then I got the black hand sanitizer case. I didn't realize I got this one and not the one with the charm. So got that. But got the new hand sanitizers. So this one is coconut praline, and let me tell you, this smells so good. It really does. It smells so good. So we got coconut praline. And then we got the guava nectar, which again smells so good. Yeah, if I had like my favorite is definitely the guava, but these both smell so good. So got those. Then I got this. I don't know if this one was already out, but I don't remember it. But it is the double lip liner in Cuteness. So you get two shades, dual lip liner in Cuteness. I never remember this shade, so that's why I picked it up. So it's in Cuteness. So we got this. Then, oh, dropped everything. Then I got these mini gel pens because I'm obsessed with like mini notebooks, mini binders, like Walmart has this whole mini collection right now for back to school. You get a mini binder, mini paper, mini filler paper, and I'm just like obsessed with like mini stuff right now. So I got these mini gel pens to go along with that. So yeah, comment down below your current obsession right now. I want to know. Then moving on. Okay, never mind. These are all our penny finds. I have a whole new penny video to film. So let me get my normal price stuff. Okay, then never saw these, never heard of these at Dollar Tree, but they're the Orb Squishy Spheres. Okay, so they honestly it looks like this. And it's squishy, so you shake it and squish it, and these are $5. So I got the 2 sharks. And then I got the little 2 fishies. So these are $5 each, but I'm obsessed with them. So we got those. On to the next. Okay, we are back. We are in the biggest heat wave right now of the year. So no lighting, no special lighting, because it's horrible. It is horrible. But anyway, we're going to continue this video, of course. So first off, I got this scented yum squishy food, and it's this big hamburger. And I have to see. It was $5, but you know what? Okay, this does not smell like a damn hamburger. I'll tell you that. So here it is. Okay, this is not. It's literally just like beat it. It does not smell like a hamburger at all, but it looks like one. It's squishy, but save your $5, honestly. But interesting. So look about that. Then I just got some red pens. These are the best pens, the red and black ones, superior, and the blue. Then how cute is this little giraffe? I had to. So it's just this little giraffe notebook. Nothing crazy, but the giraffe got me. I love giraffes. Then I found these. There are 15 teeny tiny babies inside. Orb teeny tiny babies. Surprise your friends. Collect them, hide them, trade them. So I guess they're just mini babies. And then I got the teeny tiny ducks. So I'm gonna try to find something that I can put these in so we can go through these, because I'm so intrigued. Like, what did I get? What little babies did I get? So hold on. Okay, we got all of them in here. So they're literally just these small little babies and little baby ducks. So we get 15 and 15. I got more, so I don't know if they're all going to be different or not, but that's what they look like. So I'm intrigued to see more. And then, okay, so I'm trying to do a field test. Oh, okay. So I got this notebook. I thought it was so adorable. So, about that. Then, what's this? Oh, I got this picture frame because I thought it was so pretty for some reason. So, and I don't know why, I just, like, found out about that one. And receipt. Next is, okay, these containers I'm obsessed with, and I have not been able to find them again, because they're glitter, can you see that? So, I have not been able to find them again, of course. Find something I really love, and can't find it again. Then the last couple things, we got the Mochi's Orbeez Treats, this little one. So, got that one. And then we have this waffle, which is like pink and purple tie-dye. So, then I did, where is it? Here it is. Find the little, like, Lowe's little things. I think these are so fun. I have the real Lowe's one. So we have this one and then this one, which I'm probably going to put all these in it. So that's a good idea. So, yeah, I'm going to put them in this. But that, oh, one last thing actually. I got this Auto Glass Cleaner Reach Tool. I guess, does this thing extend or no? No? Okay. I don't know why I thought it extended, but I guess it's just to clean full glass contact with swivel and fits with extension pull. So I guess you can put it on a pull. Okay, whatever. This is for the car. But that is it now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely found some goodies. I'm about to film more in this whole get up because I have a lot to film. And yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, I spend the hunt for. And make sure to subscribe, share the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.